How to add recipients in MAILCHIMP. So first, go to your MAILCHIMP dashboard. Next is just click on create. Okay, now click on design email under regular email. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Okay, so after this, you can choose among the three. You can either start from scratch, choose a basic layout, or a fully designed template. So let's just say I want to use this basic layout. Just click on it. Okay, now choose any of the templates here. Let's say I want to choose the template of simple text. So hover your mouse over it and just click on apply. Okay, after that, just customize your email here however you want. You can choose use all of the options here. After that, just click on save and exit. Then just click on add recipients and import contacts. So just import your contacts with these three options here, and just follow along the prompts that MAILCHIMP will give you. And after that, you can see just after clicking or importing your contacts, click again on the recipients, then you will see all of your contacts here. You can choose among them who you want to send the email to, and then just click on send, and that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.